Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable low disk space warning in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click Explorer. Right-click, New DWORD 32-bit value. Type No low disk space checks. Change value data to 1. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.